Hello students. Yesterday we are on exercise 1.5 operations on real numbers. Today we will go for question number 2. It's to simplify each of the following. First is 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. How to multiply them? As we multiplied the terms in algebraic expression, similarly we will multiply it here also. So to multiply it, so write 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2 and multiply them. 3 plus root 3, 2 plus under root 2. First of all, take 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. Then take root 3 multiplied by 2 plus under root 2. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by under root 2, 3 under root 2. Because this is irrational number, this is rational number. If we multiply, it remains same. Again, in this condition, 2 under root 3 and under root 3 multiplied by under root 6, 2 is under root 6. Because irrational multiplied by irrational, then अंडर रूट के अंदर जो वैल्यूज़ होती हैं वो मल्टीप्लाइड हो जाती हैं. That is the result. Solution simplification of the terms. Second part. It's given as 3 plus under root 3 and 3 minus under root 3. We can use the identity a plus b into a minus b. As we know, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That means we can write it as 3 square minus under root 3 square. 3 square means 9, and as I told yesterday also, under root 3 square means under root 3 into under root 3, that becomes 3. So 9 minus 3, the result is 6. The simplification of 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is 6. Third part, we have root 5 plus root 2 whole cube. We can use the identity a plus b whole cube. You didn't studied about this identity, but in 9th class chapter number 2 about polynomials हम उसमें इस identity को read करेंगे. You just learn this identity a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is the identity for a plus b whole cube. Here a equals to root 5 and b is equal to under root 2. So put the value of a as under root 5. 3 times of under root 5 whole square, and the value of b is under root 2, plus 3 times of under root 5 under root 2 whole square and under root 2 whole cube. Now under root 5 whole cube means under root 5 into under root 5 into under root 5. As we know, if we multiply under root 5 into under root 5, it becomes 5, and it's irrational number, rational multiplied by irrational as it is. So we can write it as 5 under root 5 plus 3 times of root 5 square means 5 into under root 2 plus root 2 square means 2, root 2 cube again 3 under 2 under root 2 according to similar part of root 5 whole cube. Solve this, you will get the answer 5 under root 5 plus 15 under root 2 plus 6 under root 5, 3 into 2 6 under root 5 and 2 under root 2. Now in this case, these are the like terms. 5 and 6 will be added, 11 root 5, 15 and 2 root 2. Root 2 is this like terms for them, so we will add 15 root 2 plus 2 root 2, that is 17 under root 2. That is the answer of third part. You must try to solve fourth part of this question number 2. Next is rationalize the denominator of the following. So to rationalize this, first of all, first part 1 upon root 7. As I told that to rationalize a single term, we will multiply and divide it by again same term. Now 1 into root 7 under root 7 under root 7 into under root 7 7. That is called the rationalization of single term of irrational number. Second part, to rationalize 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. When we have two terms, रेशनलाइज करने के लिए बिटवीन जो टर्म होती है या जो दो टर्म्स हैं उनके बिटवीन जो साइन होता है दैट मस्ट बी चेंज. नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव में, पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव में, एंड मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड इट अपॉन. नाउ 1 is multiplied by both terms, so it converts as it is root 7 a minus b a plus b. As I told, a square minus b square root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square 7 root 6 square 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, so the result is under root 7 plus under root 6. That is the rationalization of 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Similarly, third part, fourth part you have to complete yourself. 1 upon under root 5 plus under root 2. To rationalize this, multiply and divide it by the changing of sign between them. प्लस साइन था, नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे. 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, रूट 5 माइनस रूट 2 सेम रह जाएगा क्योंकि 1 को किसी से मल्टीप्लाई करें सेम नंबर आता है. और इसमें a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी, सो ए स्केयर माइनस बी स्केयर. If we solve it, under root 5 minus under root 2 upon under root 5 square is 5, under root 2 square is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, so upon 3 is the answer. By this way, you must complete the exercise number 1.5. Next topic is laws of exponents of real numbers. Laws of exponents of रियल नंबर्स के अंदर हम बात करेंगे. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सबसे पहले एक्सपोनेंट्स. सो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 into 2 वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 square. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 2 into 2 into 2 दैट मीन्स 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 that means 2 power 4. So how many times we use a number in multiplication? We can express it in the form of a power raised number, and this power or raised number is called as a exponents. These are called the exponents. 3 is exponents of given number, 4 is exponents of given number, and this 2 is called the base, the number which we use in multiplication again and again, that is called the base. For example, if we have 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, we can write it as 5 power 6 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 times we use the 5 in multiplication. This 5 is called as a base and this 6 is called as a exponents or power. We can say it as a power or exponents. So in these exponents and powers we have some laws, some rules to solve them. What are those rules? I will tell you today. The first rule is, if we are multiplying two terms, two real numbers, and their base are equal, then the powers must be added. a power m plus n. रिपीट कर रहा हूं, अगर हमारे पास बेस सेम है ऑलवेज पावर ऐड हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें 2 power 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 power 4 करना है, we can write it as 2 power 3 plus 4, that is 2 power 7. It is equal to 2 power 7. Or 3 power 5 into 3 power 2, we can write it as 3 power 5 plus 3 suppose कर लेते हैं, then 3 power 8. It is equal to 3 power 8. So if the base are equal and we multiply them, then the powers must be added. Second property, if we divide two terms and their base are same, then powers must be subtracted. Power must be subtracted means a power m minus n. If we divide the two terms in which the base are same, then powers are subtracted. For example, if we divide 3 power 5 upon 3 power 2, the result is 3 power 5 minus 2, 3 power 3. Or 2 power 7 upon 2 power 10. If we solve this, 2 power 7 minus 10, that means 2 power minus 3. That is the solution of two terms. If the base are same, then we must subtract the powers. Then we have third law or third identity, that is if any number have negative power is negative, like the last example 2 power minus 3, we can convert this power in positive. अगर ये न्यूमिनेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में, और अगर डिनोमिनेटर में है तो न्यूमिनेटर में ले जाकर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस केस a पावर माइनस m, वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 अपॉन a पावर m. रेसिप्रोकल हो गया हमारे पास, यानी ये न्यूमिनेटर में था, हमने डिनोमिनेटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, द पावर बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 पावर माइनस 3, आई कैन राइट इट एज 1 अपॉन 2 पावर 3. और 2 पावर 3 इंटू 3 पावर माइनस 5, I can write it as 2 power 3 upon 3 power plus 5. Or 1 upon 2 power minus 5, I can write it as 2 power plus 5. क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में है तो न्यूमिनेटर में जाके पावर ऐड पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. यानी अगर कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है उसको हम डिनोमिनेटर में है न्यूमिनेटर में लेके जाएंगे तो पावर जो है वो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. पावर के साइन चेंज हो जाता है, अगर नेगेटिव में है तो पॉजिटिव में, और पॉजिटिव में है तो नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. फोर्थ, द पावर ऑफ एनी नंबर इज 0, देन द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज 1. कोई भी वैल्यू आ जाए एक्सेप्ट 0, ए कैन नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 0. 0 को एक्सेप्ट करते हुए अगर कोई भी नंबर आ जाता है उसकी पावर 0 आती है, देन द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज 1, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो चाहे पॉजिटिव हो. For example, minus 1 power 0 is also 1. Minus 5 power 0 is also 1. So always कोई भी चाहे नेगेटिव नंबर हो चाहे पॉजिटिव नंबर हो, उनकी पावर अगर हमारे पास 0 आती है, then the result is always 1. Fifth property, is if we multiply two terms whose base are different but powers are same, their base are different, a and b, the powers are same, m and m, then a and b base multiplied हो जाते हैं, पावर सेम रह जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 क्यूब इंटू 3 क्यूब, वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 इंटू 3 6 क्यूब. बेस सेम डिफरेंट हो बट पावर सेम हो तभी ये अप्लाई किया जा सकता है. अगर बेस सेम है और पावर्स चाहे सेम हो चाहे डिफरेंट हो तो पावर्स ऐड होंगी, पर उसमें ये नहीं है कि हम डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बट अगर बेस डिफरेंट है, पावर सेम है, पावर सेम रह जाएगी, बेस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. सिक्स्थ प्रॉपर्टी, इन डिवाइडेशन आल्सो, इफ देयर इज a पावर m अपॉन b पावर m, बेस डिफरेंट बट पावर सेम, देन a अपॉन b पावर m, यानी a में b का डिवाइड हो जाएगा, द रिजल्ट becomes power m, a upon b power m as it is. For example, 21 power 3 upon 7 power 3. We can write it as 21 upon 7 whole power 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3 power 3. The result is 3 power 3. And last but not least, property or law of exponents is, if there is a power m power n, अगेन एक्सपोनेंट्स की पावर एक्सपोनेंट्स आ जाए तो उस केस में ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं a पावर m इंटू n. These 7 properties are there for exponents or powers of a real numbers. इन 7 प्रॉपर्टीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम एक्सरसाइज 1.6 कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो फर्स्टली ये 6 या 7 जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ मैंने बताई हैं उनको आप लर्न कर लीजिए. टुमारो वी विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.6. थैंक यू.